If you're looking for a quick and easy way to generate a QR code for an audio file using Unicode, you're in the right place. This simple guide will walk you through the steps, and by the end, you'll know exactly how to make your audio files shareable with a scannable QR code in minutes. Stick around until the end because not only will I show you how to do it in Unicode, but I'll also recommend some powerful alternatives that might just fit your needs even better. First thing, let's jump into Unicode. After logging into your account, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to their QR code generation tool. It's pretty straightforward and easy to navigate, so no worries if you're a beginner. Once you're in the right section, you'll be prompted to choose the type of content you'd like to generate a QR code for. For this video, we're focused on audio files. Next, select the option for URL because what you'll be doing is uploading your audio file to a cloud storage service, such as Google Drive or Dropbox, and then getting the direct URL to the file. Why? Because Unicode doesn't allow you to upload audio files directly to generate a QR code. It relies on the URL to pull the content. So go ahead and upload your file to one of these services. Once your audio file is uploaded and you've copied the URL, return to Unicode, paste that URL into the input box, and let the software work its magic. With just one click, you'll have your unique QR code generated for the audio file. The next thing to know is customization. Unicode allows you to personalize the QR code by adjusting the design to match your branding or preference. You can change the color, the shape of the QR code itself, or even add a logo in the center if you like. But here's the thing, while customization options are nice, they're a bit limited compared to some competitors. If you want more detailed customization or advanced features, you might want to consider other software. Now, the fourth thing to be aware of is testing. After you generate your QR code, don't forget to test it. Use a QR scanner on your phone or tablet to make sure it links to your audio file properly. It's always a good practice to ensure your QR code works before sharing it with others. The fifth and final thing, if you're happy with the QR code, simply download it to your computer or device, and you're all set. You can now print it, share it digitally, or even embed it on your website. While Unicode does the job, there are some alternatives that might suit your needs even better, especially if you're looking for more advanced features. For instance, tools like QR Code Generator and Key UFF offer a wider variety of customization options and even allow you to track the performance of your QR codes, which is something Unicode lacks. And here's the kicker. Through the link in the description, you'll get an exclusive and extended free trial of Unicode, along with some benefits only available to our viewers. But if you're looking for a more robust solution that's better for creating QR codes for audio files with extra features, those other tools are also worth considering, and they also offer a free trial. Make sure to check the description for more details, and thanks for watching.